Shona Rilla. Greeting and blessings to all my queens and kings, my brethren and sisters. Hamone Shamwad. Yeah, I'm just reaching out with the introduction of my motivation channel. Okay, Get Real with Rilla. In this channel, I'm presenting more cases which have got my personal experience involved. So we've got stuff. We've got topics on failed marriage, how the system failed me and my family, the challenges that we face in the diaspora, interracial marriages, and same as the Zimbabwean marriages that we have. So I hope you look forward to this because this is nothing but true real life experience. Thank you. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.